Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, chat. Good morning, chat. How's y'all's weekend? Good morning. Good morning. How's y'all's weekend? It's gonna be a great day. No news Monday. You gotta be careful. Gotta be careful, boys. Gold here is a little bit tricky for what I'm noticing. NQ is very, very clear. I can see the draw on liquidity on NQ pretty clearly. Equal highs below, above us on NQ. Drop to the go to the 1 hour time frame. Notice there's a low within a 1 hour gap. It's pretty clear. Come down, take this. We should get some reaction to the upside. That'll give us a good trade. On gold, on the other hand, gold is bullish, but I don't know how gold wants to react at this low. I think it might come all the way down to this low because this is data lows, FOMC lows. You might want it. Might want to come take out FOMC lows for going higher. So gold is pretty much just accumulating right now. This is all chop on gold. So whether gold is bullish or bearish, we need to wait for more structure. Short term right now, we're bearish. I want to see how we react at this low here to see if we are bullish, but there's no higher time frame. There's no higher time frame PD array here. Except this 4 hour BISI. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I do know gold is gonna come here though, to Asia low at least. But NQ's for sure going here. For sure. What's going on, Carlos? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? We're gonna be extremely careful today because it's no news Monday. Well, let's see if NQ can complete out this draw here. What time is market open? 8:30. That's right here. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, completing out all this trendline liquidity draw. Did I do anything over the weekend? Yeah, I had a couple birthday parties that I went to. I came back from one last night, so I'm a little tired, but I think I'll be straight to trade. I'm definitely gonna take the trade on NQ, not AS. Gold, I do think gold can go lower. I want gold to go lower to take out these lows, but how we react there, I really have no clue. On a 1 hour time frame, we're reacting out of this 1 hour high here. Gold is bullish, so we should get a good reaction out of this low, but we have news low below us, so I might dabble here with lighter risk to see if it works. If not, I'll try again here, but also NQ could give us a good setup that we can use. NQ analysis, okay, let's do NQ analysis. Let's start off on the 4 hour for NQ analysis, right? Mitigated a 4 hour imbalance here, displacing to the upside. We inverse this 4 hour gap here, and now we're retracing down lower. Our drawn liquidity is still higher. We haven't taken it out yet. Our drawn liquidity is still higher. Go to the 1 hour time frame. Where could we react off of on this 1 hour time frame? We have a low right here within this FVG that price could potentially come into, tap to continue higher. Okay, let's drop down to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, what did we leave behind? These are equal highs with London high. London highs are equal highs. What is all this? Low resistance liquidity. So we were slowly accumulating upward. We were chopping upward like this, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's what I see on NQ. Boom. Just like that. So now I'm waiting to see if we can get a good reaction out of this level or a good reaction out of this level. I low-key don't want the trade to form before market open. I want it to start manipulating to the upside like this. Market open comes, it dumps, and then gives us the trade. That's what I want to see. That is what I want to see. NFZ, you tell me, man. What do you think gold's gonna do? Whenever you join a chat or whenever you join like a live stream for trading or whenever you join a chat, thank you, bro. Much appreciated. You're welcome. Whenever you join a chat and you're ready to like trade, come in and you determine what you want to see. You get what I mean? It's like you look at it for yourself and tell me. You're gonna be outside later today? That's funny. NQ might genuinely be the move though. NQ might genuinely be the move today. Let's see if gold can give us an entry. An entry that we can dabble in. It looks good though. don't long this, even though I do want to see it long from here to go lower. Why? This is that 1 hour. This is that 1 hour inversion here. We also have a small little 1 hour here. Well, I can tell as of right now, this is the draw on liquidity. As of right now, this is the draw. No doubts about it. What's going on, Nate? What is up? What is up? A small little temporary draw. We're gonna stay disciplined today, though. NQ is going exactly where we want it to go. Exactly where we want it to go. I just don't want to take a trade before market open. You're bearish on gold, NF? Hey, make sure y'all speed up the stream. Like, go back to current chat or current time. Yeah, I'm very bearish on gold. My weekend was pretty good. It was pretty good. I was out with friends and family. I had a good time. I met with my Discord on Sunday yesterday. We had a good time on Discord as well. My students, my mentorship students. Went over last week, went over what we can do this week, and we're here to execute. Guys, let's see if we can get some type of retracement into here or here and see if we can catch a sell-off. Let's see. Because if you look, that retracement will be happening inside this 1 hour imbalance here, which is also aligned with a 15-minute liquidity sweep. So it's valid. It's really valid. Guys, don't come in here and start, oh, Dae, such a liquidity volatile trade. London low swept. This is pattern trading, which it could, by all means, this could end up working. But you're longing when you just determine that you're bearish. It's like this could work, but I rather trust this instead. I rather lose on this than win on this. I rather lose on this than win on this. Why? This is a pattern trade. We're extremely bearish and you're longing because a London low just got swept. It's like, doesn't make any sense. And then NQ, I know it's a little bit wild, but I'm still bullish on this. I want NQ to finish off these bearish draws. After these bearish draws get tapped, if it starts giving bullish structure, it's like, we're bullish, man. Man, I will not lie here. There was a time I was taking every session sweep. Yeah. I used to do that too, man. Look, you're getting cooked right now. You're getting cooked right now. I used to do that too, man. That's because I didn't understand how to read price action. Like I became profitable by doing these pattern ass trading. That's how you know discipline plays a huge role. I would pattern trade like this, but I would still be slightly profitable. Why? Because at the end of the day, you were staying disciplined or whatever. When I now started creating narratives, actually taking trades aligned with what I want to see in the market, boom, my trading took off. So as in back in the day, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I'll be in a long position right now, getting cooked. The moment this loses, I kid you not, I'll close my computer. I was done trading for the whole rest of the day over this one little pattern trade. I didn't even try to be good. I didn't even try, like I was a pattern trader like a motherfucker. Like it was horrible. There's clear draws lower. Asia low all the way down here. This 1 hour here closes in 24 minutes. We might not get a full retracement to these highs though. That's the thing. I want us to, but will we? I want to know if we're gonna make a bearish move in this leg or if we're gonna sweep out these highs first. That's the only thing I'm iffy on. We should sweep out these highs because this is a 15-minute. This would be a 15-minute Timmy train. No? We should sweep out the highs. NQ sweep low, it's before market open though. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know, man. I low-key think we wait. It's before market open. And it only swept one of them. There's another one right down here I wanted to get. So maybe that's what happens. I think people long right now. And then market open comes, and then it comes back to take out this low and then goes higher. Let's stay patient. Let's stay to market open. You never really want to be trading NQ before market open. But please, this is obviously like, this is the clear draw on liquidity. It looks so clean. Let's try not to miss this setup today, guys. This looks so clean. Look, trendline liquidity with equal highs above. Tapping into a 1 hour FVG while sweeping out 1 hour lows. So clean. Very, very clean. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, trust me, I've learned my lesson with NQ. You don't wanna trade this before market open. I think what happens is that hopefully, hopefully what's going on is that we start doing something like this. Market open, dump, V-shape quickly, and then we rip, like we start skyrocketing to come take out all this trend line here. NQ looks really good. Like NQ looks better than gold right now. Gold, we still have our trade idea. but I like NQ better. I like NQ's trade idea much better than gold's. I learned my lesson. I used to look for a 1 to 3 on a bearish downtrend. Oh man, I'm telling you, all you gotta do is just trade with the trend. Find where you think the draw is. We think the draw is this low. Okay, let's look for bearish setups so this low gets taken. If we're wrong, price will do this, do something like this, stop us out at break even, and start trading higher. And do this. That's if we're wrong. But if we're right, then price should do this and this. And our trade will win. And we can catch our 1 to 3 like this. Boom, 1 to 3. That's how you catch on 1 to 3. That's how you catch 1 to 2s and 1 to 5s and all them bullshits. This is how we'll catch on 1 to 3. But if we don't get this, we don't look to trade. The daily candle is bearish. Let's check. Yeah, it is. It's printing bearish. Guys, by the way, I'm literally only bearish on gold till this low and maybe this low. After those two lows get taken, I do think we continue with this uptrend. I don't think this is a reversal. I think this is just a slight retracement. Can't you see these bearish candles? They're so tiny on the 1 hour compared to the bullish candles. I am bearish, but literally just to like this low and this low. Like I wouldn't even hold runners. I hope NQ's not ripping. Okay, NQ's still slowing down. It's been a game changer. Yes, it sure has. 1 to 1s and 1 to 1.5 saved my trading career. Oh, check my OBS. Oh. So does everybody here know what we're looking for? We got one more draw here that needs to get taken. Price could come all the way down here. I don't want it to, but it could. But the moment price comes down here, I think longs are invalid now. If price comes to this low, I think longs are invalid now. That's way too low. That's way too low. Like, this should be more than enough to continue higher. Remember, guys, it's also the Monday before CPI. CPI is on Wednesday. Today's a no news Monday. So let's just be slightly more careful. That's why I'm not willing to try this. I'm going to just wait till 8:30. And on gold, I'm not willing to try anything to up here as well. It's like the long entry that here on gold is playing out, but it's literally only playing out because we wanted to come to sweep out these highs. Hey, who here in this chat knows how to clip up streams? I need another clipper. My old clipper just quit on me. Who here knows how to clip up streams? Anybody? Anybody know how to clip up streams? Please hit me up on Discord. Obviously, I'll pay you. I'll give you some free accounts. Most you gonna get from me is cap cut, lol. I'm chopped. I appreciate the honesty, though. I appreciate the honesty. I need some OD clipper. Like, nah, Mafia, you're good with being my mod. I appreciate that already. Like, I don't want someone who can try. I want somebody who's like, nah, Dae, I do this shit. Like, and like, I do this shit. This is how much I cost. I'm trying to get paid. And I'll be like, I'll respect it. Because at the end of the day, I am running a business here. I need like good quality stream clips of mainly when I win. You don't want to clip up losing trades now. Mainly when I win. You know, add a couple losing trades in them bitches once or twice. Okay. NQ is doing exactly what I think it's gonna do. Candles moving very slow. Market open, dump, take off. Let's see if we can catch it. Lucid, yeah. Old payout still, very, very old. Very, very old. My most recent payout has been from Apex. Apex. And I've been trying to get one with Blue Guardian because I'm promoting them, but I've been getting chopped on that shit. I have my main accounts. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have my main accounts, and then I have eval accounts that we will be trading on Wednesday. I need to go buy some more. And then I'll also be giving out some Apex and Lucid accounts for y'all to do whatever y'all want with those on CPI for Wednesday. I'll give y'all some Apex and Lucid accounts. And we'll go from there. Hire someone from WAP them, they would clip for you. Is it possible for a blue collar worker to become a millionaire? 100%. 100, bro, it's possible for anybody to become a millionaire. How hard it is for each person now truly depends. Obviously, it'll be much harder for a blue collar worker to become a millionaire than a trust fund kid whose daddy is rich. Obviously, it'll be much harder. But can a blue collar worker become a millionaire? 100%. As in, like, easily too. Like, no, like, not to be like disrespectful or anything. Become a millionaire, it won't be as hard as you think. Trust me, becoming a millionaire is hard, but it won't be as hard as you actually think. Is it possible if you, yes, like, a blue collar, bro, if you're talking about blue collar worker to become a millionaire with trading 100%, but I'm even talking as millionaire overall, like, you're not even relying on trading. Yes, you can do it with working in real estate. It will take you 10, 15 years. But if you stay disciplined, you can do it without trading. You can do it in 10, 15 years. With trading, I think you could do it in 5. All trading does is speed up the process of what you already have to do. Like the plan I'm doing now to become a millionaire, I created it before I was profitable. My whole goal, let me put y'all all on some sauce. Don't be retarded. Y'all don't see Lambos and y'all don't see high-rise penthouses. I can get those. I'm not retarded. Why would I do that when I have no real estate property? Why would I do that when I have no investments? Be smart with your money. You want to be a millionaire, you don't need Instagram knowing you're a millionaire. You just want to be a millionaire, so you have to be smart with your money. Dude, The fastest way to become a millionaire is make money, take the money, buy assets. Blue collar workers make money. Traders make money. These are all just tools. Trading in and of itself can make you a millionaire, but that shouldn't be like your thought process. Your thought process is if I can make 20K a month from trading, 15K a month from trading, I just take the money I make it from trading, invest it into real estate, invest it into properties, invest it into bonds, stocks, whatever, in 5 years. 5 years. If I'm very unlucky with horrible investments, maybe 10 years, you'd be a fucking millionaire, bro. Yeah. It's like, it's definitely not easy, but that's literally just the blueprint. Trust me, when you first start touching your first set of money, now it's like you know you can afford things, so you start wanting things. Now you low-key want the Rolex. You low-key want that nice crib. You want this, you want that, you want that. But it's like, don't forget the game plan. Hey, don't forget the game plan. You got to stay disciplined. Don't forget the game plan. You made it for a reason. So I'm in the process of carrying out that game plan. Blue collar worker can easily become rich. They make money. They don't even have to be trading. They make money. We're only trading to speed up how much money we do make to do all these things that we're talking about. Can you show me MGC1? This is MGC. This is my chart for MGC. Price is reacting out of this 1 hour. This 1 hour gap could send us lower. Are you gonna use this gold? And the 1 hour candle is about to close. Gold, my dead ass just do this. Depending on how strong the draw is. Okay, I think it'll give a good retracement actually. I think we'll be straight. This is NQ taking out that second draw at 750, and we still have to wait till 8:30. Like no matter what NQ does, I'm not placing a trade before 8:30. Sorry, not sorry. Wick's starting to make me nervous, but I'm sticking to the selling idea on gold. Yeah, all the wicks are to the upside though. There's little momentum here. We have to wait and see. When price gets up into this area, then we have to see if we can get short setups. What is the TT indicator? Is this indicator right here? Trend trader buy and sell. Trend trader buy and sell signals by unknown unique, whoever. Yeah, today gold looks mad slow. But remember, we have our trade idea. We have our trade idea. Let's see if we get it. If gold is bullish, it'll just do this. And we wouldn't even lose. We just wouldn't catch a setup. But I think gold is bearish till at least this Asia session low. Why? Because oopsie. Why? Because we took out these highs here. Boom, took out these highs. We are at a key 1 hour level high. So I can expect at least some type of retracement back down to these lows. It's a matter of, can we catch something first before you go? That's all I want to see, gold. You're going to let us catch something? I would low-key want this 1 hour here to get inversed. I want this 1 hour here inversed. But for NQ, guys, I'm not touching it till 8:30. I'm going to be honest. Like, I don't care if this starts winning and then 8:30 opens and it shoots it higher. We're just going to miss it then. I'm not touching this till 8:30, even though it looks really, really clean and obvious. Really, really clean and obvious. Why 8:30? That's technically when market opens. That is when market opens. That's when market opens for the New York Stock Exchange. Right now, we're in pre-market. Everything we're doing right now on gold and NQ is pre-market. The market doesn't officially open till 8:30 Central Standard Time or 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. So any trades you take during that time is pre-market. And as for NQ and ES, your during market open 8:30 price will usually manipulate. That's why a whole model has been invented called the 9:30 manipulation or 8:30 manipulation. So what will happen is that, let's say you enter into a long, price is winning, market will open, it'll literally do this, and then it'll win even faster. Notice how slow the market's moving? On this 8:30 here, one candle can hit full TP in just one candle. Hey, what's going on, Costa? I'm glad to hear that. I really, really am. Missed you at the meeting yesterday, bro. You should have pulled up. I went over some like gems. I really did. What do I think about volume profile and VWAP? I think they work. I just don't use them. Too busy. I completely get it, man. I truly do be forgetting that trading and teaching trading and social media, all of that is my entire life. So I understand that y'all have family, y'all have things to do, kids, jobs. So I get it. I really be trying to find a time to make it fit. We're gonna go back to doing Saturday mornings for those meetings to see if majority of y'all can actually attend those meetings. And I'm also thinking of doing something for my free Discord as well on Saturdays as well. Maybe do like a Q&A. And also, do y'all want me to move the live streams to Discord or do y'all want me to keep it on YouTube? What do you think? Because I feel like on YouTube, more people can discover, but on Discord, it becomes a little bit more exclusive to just my community. Or should I split it in two? Do half on Discord, half on YouTube. Asia session on Discord, New York session on YouTube. I don't know yet. YouTube? Somebody say YouTube? YouTube, more YouTube? Okay, I want to fucking with YouTube. Depends. You are an influencer, so you should do on YouTube. Yeah, that's true. That's true. YouTube. Okay, sounds good. So we got something good going on here. Just in case for anybody that's new, I'm gonna draw this here. This is kind of what we're waiting on, / looking at. I'm low-key iffy that we might get a reaction from here. I just don't want that to be the move. We could just get a reaction from up here. I don't want that to be the move. It will benefit you more, I guess. People will discover you more on YouTube. Yes, I love going back and rewatching the stream. Okay, yeah, that's true. YouTube does save my streams. Okay, YouTube it is. YouTube it is. Let's see what Bandy's talking about. ES is, I don't see ES by any lows or these Asia lows here. I haven't even done analysis much on ES. Whoa, ES low-key gotta come run all this. Am I tripping? ES might come all the way down there. Ooh, is this gonna be a bearish day? This does look a lot like volume. ES has room to go much lower. The nearest draw is all the way down here. There's no reason to stop here. Has there been a sweep of any low, high, regular low, high? I guess this is a minor sweep. Order block. ES, ES, ES. I don't want these lows taken on ES. The most I can do is come all the way down here. That's the most. What ES should do right now is, look, let me put y'all on some sauce. What ES should do right now, it should react here, give a 15-minute, what time is it right now? 8 o'clock, perfect. Give a 15-minute bullish candle, probably even inverse this gap, leave behind this low, and then that should be the liquidity for market open. That should be the liquidity for market open. But who knows? That's just me speculating. Oh my gosh, gold, don't do that. Gold, come on. Don't do that. Don't run. Don't run right now. Come on. I know where you want to go, but give us the sweep first. NQ top. Beautiful longs can come out of this, like gorgeous longs. This doesn't look like a good enough liquidity sweep though to be a valid long. I think we get manipulated here. It looks like we might trade NQ today. That's what it's looking like it's about to set up. Yeah, you're very right. Hey, Bandy's learning quick. Bandy, you're very right. Remember though, longs are only valid once this low here gets taken, and we have to see how it reacts because this low can definitely be valid for longs. This is a news low on gold. Look at all these highs we're just leaving behind. So longs could end up becoming valid, but I'm only taking longs once this low here gets taken. Gold is leaving without us. This is crazy. I just wanted to sweep first. You see how understanding draws help you, and you know not to take a long here because you understand what you need the market to do? We reacted off of this 1 hour that I drew out. I wanted us to react off of this one. That's fine. Our NQ trade is setting up nicely. That's fine. Market open is near as well. Bro, I promise you this NQ trade is manipulation. I can almost promise you. Like, look at the sweep. It's barely even a sweep. NQ, you can do way better than that. I really think market open will come and take all that out and then go higher, and then I'll catch that one. I'll catch that one, baby girl. Remember what I said about ES? Remember what I said about ES? It'll put in that 15-minute low, and then it'll use this low as liquidity. Yeah, market open's gonna cook them. Am I lifting today? I lift every day. I'm going straight to the gym after this. It's part of like my, that's like asking me, am I posting on social media today? It's just part of what I do. Like I lift every day, I post every day, I trade every day. Well, I trade most days. It's like, it's just part of like my routine. What am I hitting? I'm hitting chest. I'm hitting chest and triceps and shoulders today. My favorite. This looks beautiful for longs on gold actually. Accumulation on the 1 minute, manipulation lower. If this starts trading higher, then it's coming for these highs, this highs, and this highs. Look at it. Do y'all see it? You take a little stab at it if you want. They're taking a bit of a riskier play though, but you can take a little stab at it if you want. These highs and these highs and these highs, and probably even these highs up here are really good draws. Short-term draws. Just understand that you're not actually trying to long this entire thing. You're just trying to long to here. If you take that, I'm not gonna take that. I had legs on Saturday. Play for NASDAQ. Let's draw it out for anybody who's new. Play on NASDAQ during market open. That's the play for NASDAQ. If market open shoots this higher, I'll lose all confidence in NASDAQ. I don't think market open should reward longing right now. I really don't. I don't think they should reward this. Yeah, longs on gold right now look slightly valid. I would advise y'all to be careful. Long in gold, but this could work. You have a 1 minute here. Remember, I'm seeing the short-term vision on gold right now. I have the 1 minute here. What is this here? Sweep. Where are we targeting? These. That's the vision I see on gold right now. That's the vision. Um, are there days when you feel burnt out and take any rest at the time or keep going? I always take rest. Wednesday I felt burnt out and I didn't trade and I took a break. I always take breaks. It's really good for your health. It's really, really good for your health. Remember what we're looking for in NQ. A cleaner sweep here will work. I don't want this trade to win on NQ. Remember gold. These longs are looking a little more valid now. Somebody's taking this. Remember where we want to short from, up here. So your long should only go up there. Don't hold past that. Break even here. Smooth break even. You have the 1 hour here to protect your longs. Break even at these highs. Good break even. Remember, trading gold before market open isn't as dangerous as trading NQ before market open. Gold isn't that volatile when market open on NQ. Like NQ is. Gold isn't that crazy. Boom. This long setup should play out. NQ going up? Seriously? Are we missing it? Temporarily, like I said. NQ's going up temporarily. Get off the 1 minute. Temporarily, NQ's going up. I really want this to manipulate these lows again. I really do. Why does this keep getting deleted? I don't know who keeps deleting that shit. Anybody take the gold longs? Nobody? It was itty bitty tiny. Here wasn't valid, but here after leaving behind these lows, and then you got an AMD, accumulation, manipulation lower, inverse fair value gap here, retest, continue trading higher. I'm gonna get there. You will be break even now. Took it on 100K EVA. Yeah, I scalped it a bit. Very tiny position though. Very tiny position. I didn't risk that much on it. Remember to play on gold still. Don't lose sight of the vision on gold. Yes, I like this. This is a 30-minute high as well. I like that. Yes, this is a 30-minute high. I actually now like, yes, I would like for this to be swept, please. It's a 30-minute high. I want that. Remember the vision. Remember the vision. Bouncing between 30 minutes. Well, you can't forget why your trade idea is the reason that it is. Let's check on NASDAQ. Boom, come on. Yep, we should manipulate these guys here. Market open should manipulate these guys here. Easy. I told you, remember. Should create a high here, and then market open will use this low as manipulation. Don't forget what you need to see. Don't forget what you need to see. This is fine. If we go take out this draw without taking out this low, that's even better. That means we're leaving behind liquidity, but that's on the 1 minute though. Liquidity on the 1 minute don't really mean shit. It's still liquidity though. The goal right now is to take out these highs. I'm not looking for shorts till these highs here are gone. Like I really don't want gold to short off of this high. That would suck. I really don't want it. Like shorting off of this high, it could do that, but there's no reason to not use this high. That high is the more valid one. It's in a 30-minute it's in a 30-minute FVG with the high right here for liquidity. That's a great high to inverse off of. Like a perfect high to inverse off of. Okay, we took out this low. If it wants to go higher, we should just start trading higher now. I don't see a reason to continue dumping right now. I really wanted to use this high here to take us lower, not this one. What time is it? It's 8:19. Come on, gold, what are we doing? Let's take out these highs. That's what I want to see. MGC, yeah, MGC is the same thing. We want to short off of these highs because these highs are inside a 30-minute, which is also inside the 1 hour FEG and all that fun stuff. It's like these highs are could easily be the draw. But then again, gold can do whatever shenanigans it wants to. There we go. That's a nice valid push. Come on, gold. Where you want to short off? You want to short off this high, this little high here, gold? That's where you want to short off of? If you do, you can. It just doesn't make sense to me. What's NQ doing? NQ made a higher high. Okay, now NQ doesn't have to take these guys out. It can just come and use this as the liquidity now when market opens. I do know liquidity will be taken during market open. Oh, gold is dumping. Gold, are we serious? No, 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 gold. Use this high. Oh my God, gold dumped off this high. I don't want to see this. I do not want to see this. Why are you doing this? That is an hourly high, but still, obviously this high was much better to react off of. Come on, gold. That sucks. I'm not shorting this yet. I'm gonna be real. I'm not shorting this. Um, so is NASDAQ also just gonna pump with this horrible sweep here? This was barely even a sweep. Let's get something good today, please. The gold setup's getting more valid. Gold setup, it's coming back to these highs. Should. I think gold really wants these highs. It's valid. It's just chopping upward because we're obviously bearish. So it's just chopping upward. But I think it's still coming back to these highs. That's what I think. That's what I see. It just came down for a little bit of a liquidity grab here. If it really wants these highs, it shouldn't take out this low. If it does, then I think we missed a short move. But remember, I really want these highs before I start looking for shorts. If anything, a long entry wouldn't suck here either. Dabble in it. When's market open? Market opens in 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This is NQ. 2 minutes market open. NQ, why does NQ keep sweeping? Like, why does NQ keep sweeping shit? I don't like that. NQ might not manipulate. Did NASDAQ sweep something? Yeah, NASDAQ put in a lower low. That's that 15-minute low that it would use as liquidity. Remember, we might get something here on NQ and NASDAQ. This is an SMT going on right now. I'm calling this out for y'all, and like, it's getting obvious where NASDAQ's about to go. Don't miss it. Start getting ready. Pay attention. Wait for the manipulation. God, you gonna run up to these highs? Okay, this is valid now on NASDAQ. This is that 3 minute here, 3 minute inversion here after a sweep. Calling it out for y'all. No, NQ longs is valid. Right off what? 15. We called this off perfectly for y'all. I hope y'all 15 minute. Use this low as liquidity to go higher. But I'm just waiting. I'm still not in any NQ longs. Like I'm real life just missing this setup right now. See if we can get a retracement. Any retracement. NQ. This is a sweep here. Once this 5 minute closes, you can just take this. It's a FOMO entry, but I want to see some type of better sweep slash entry, in my opinion. I remember we still have the gold shorts off of these highs here. Market open on gold's usually not that volatile. See? It's like they didn't really do much. Versus ES, boom, take off. Right now I'm waiting for this gold to play out. I need these highs, gold. I need those highs. Come on. Is gold gonna give us these highs? I need those highs, gold. Horrible, horrible price action. This is horrible. This is disgusting. Oh my God! What is this? What the hell is this? Hold on. Let's pay close attention to this. Hold on. Where's my other chart? Where's my other chart? Where's my other chart? Okay, the gold is still moving higher. Let's pay close attention to this. I think this is AMD. I think this is AMD. Guys, NQ longs. I think this is AMD. That's the manipulation we wanted to see. I think this is AMD, guys. Is this SMT? This is low-key SMT. That's SMT, guys. NASDAQ longs is still very, very valid. I really think this is AMD. If you get a 1 minute inversion, it's smooth. It's smooth. If you get a 1 minute inversion on NASDAQ, it's smooth, guys. If you get a 1 minute inversion here on NASDAQ, it's very good. Take it long on NASDAQ. If you get this 1 minute inversion, it's smooth. Stop loss all the way underneath the low, but we have all this. I think we get there. It's very smooth. Look at this manipulation. That's a huge manipulation leg. We have to get the 1 minute inversion though. If not, I don't want it. If we don't get a 1 minute inversion, then it's not valid. We have to get this 1 minute inversion here. And the gold trade's about to smack TP. Oh my God, it's edging. XAU already hit it too. That's the thing. Gotta close. XAU hit that. Gold trade played out. Gold trade played out. That's TP on gold here. Guys, if NASDAQ inverses this, it's valid. I'm just letting y'all know now. It looks like accumulation, manipulation lower. This is still that 1 hour gap, but if it starts dumping, then it's just clipped. If it starts dumping, then it's clipped. If it starts dumping, then it's clipped. Yeah. I liked it though. It started looking really beautiful. Okay, gold, we actually can start looking for sells now. Let's get off the 1 minute. 5 minute took out this high on gold. MGC hasn't quite taken out this high. There's still a tiny SMT here. I sold my position on this trade early because we had taken out the high on XAU, so I didn't want to risk it. We still have a massive SMT here with ES and NQ. But it looks like they're just selling off. It looks like they're just selling off. No news Monday. Okay, let's see if we can catch something here on gold. We have wicks at our level. That's nice to see. I don't see any fair value gaps though. I don't see any FEGs. I know 1 hour order block, but it doesn't care. Okay, it's time for gold to start pushing lower. I just don't have a fucking... Oh, 5 minute FEG. We have a 5 minute. Okay, we'll take our trade off this 5 minute. Okay. So guys, I've taken 2 trades so far on gold. One was break even, the other one was a W. Let me show y'all here. Took one here, break even, went back in, and I sold here because XAU had already taken it. These longs, I told you that were valid. I added to my position here a bit, and then I got out here. But now I'm looking to short. Oh, Jeez Louise. Lord help me. We have a 5-minute FVG here, so we can just wait to see if that gets taken. If that gets inversed, then we can look for some shorts on gold. What's NQ doing? I still think NQ might be setting up a long position for us, bro. Keep it a bean. Maybe I'm married to my bias here. There's SMT with the lows. Gold short incoming. There's a gold short play and there's an NQ long play. I still think this long play is valid on NQ. Pick your poison. That's two setups. There's a gold short play that I think is valid, and there's an NQ long play that I also think it's valid. Gold short play is looking like it wants to flush without us. I'm taking that though. We're getting the inversion in 1 minute and 50 seconds on gold. Don't let it manipulate you. You're trying to manipulate me. What am I up to taking so many trades? I'm starting to understand a clear, like, reading price action has been very easy for me. Like, look, we're dumping, we're shorting. Reading price action has been very, like, it's so clear what it wants to do. Is this going to leave without us? I don't want to chase here. Is this going to leave without us? No pullbacks. It's dumping. And boom, bye-bye, it goes without you. You still have a chance for NQ, by the way. Gold is running without you. Trying to tell you all that NQ is valid. Gold ran. Gold ran. NQ valid. NQ valid. NQ valid. NQ valid. Look at it. Remember the vision, guys? Remember the vision, guys? If you get an entry on NQ, pull it. Take it. You have to make sure you get the entry, though. Don't just FOMO into this. It's a no news Monday. Make sure you get a valid entry first. We have SMT with ES at the lows. I like it. Oh, gold, trade, valid. Y'all pick your poison. That's 2 dubs. Short. Right from where we wanted. Exactly from where we called out. Exactly. I just taught my mentorship students how to catch IFVGs like this. I hope they used it today. Perfect example to use it. Did y'all use the stop order? Did y'all use a stop order on this? No, I didn't enter this on gold. I didn't enter this. I should have though. I was waiting for an inversion, but I should have used my stop order. Y'all use the stop order I taught exactly. We just talked about this yesterday on stream. I just taught them how to catch these. I just taught them how to catch these. Boom. There's TP1, there's TP2, last final TP right there. I'm trying to tell y'all that NASDAQ is valid here. I think NASDAQ's gonna rip. If it doesn't, then I'm wrong. Look at it fly. NASDAQ's gonna rip, boys. That's trade idea on NASDAQ. NASDAQ's gonna rip. NASDAQ's gonna rip. Taking out these lows, reacting off of a 1 hour trend line liquidity, equal highs above on London session highs. SMT right here with ES. Something's about to rip. If it doesn't rip, then that's fine. There she goes. There she blows. Let's see. Price action has been getting like easy to read. Like very, very easy to read. I don't want to start tooting my own horn here, but it's like she should rip. But it's a no news Monday, so if it doesn't rip right now, I would understand why. But she should. All this trendline liquidity, final TP here has equal highs above. If we can actually get a nice 5-minute solid candle closure above this, like CISD this, bro, it should rip. Like if this closes like this, she should rip. I think NASDAQ should rip. You know, retrace a little, do what you got to do, but I don't think NASDAQ should come back to this low. If it does, then. But this is an A+ setup on NASDAQ, in my opinion. SMT with ES should be an A+ setup on NASDAQ. Should be an A+++ setup on NASDAQ. I am taking the NQ setup. I missed this gold short. I took the tiny little scalp of a gold long. I missed the main gold short. That's fine. But I am taking this long setup on NASDAQ. I already took a dub on that gold setup, so I just risked, like on this NASDAQ trade, I just risked the win I had on the gold setup. So if this loses, I'll be break even on the day. If this wins, I'll be up a good amount, like a good amount. I'll be up a good amount on this Monday. The reason I'm so aggressive today is because I don't plan on trading Wednesday or Thursday. So I need to make majority of my money Monday and Tuesday. Because I also barely trade Friday. So I have Wednesday, Monday, and Tuesday to make this shit shake. So that's why I'm a little bit more aggressive today. But if this NASDAQ trade loses, which I don't think it will, But if this NASDAQ trade loses, I'm going to pretty much lose the money I risked when trading gold. Come on, NASDAQ. Are you serious? What type of manipulation is this? Are we serious right now? Freaking no news Monday ass shit. What type of manipulation is this? Come on. Trade higher. You don't really want to do this. Stop playing. You already manipulated here. CISD back to the upside. Damn, this shit is losing. Holy shit. It's losing. This is one of those high conviction plays. This shit should not lose. Nothing is certain in the market, but like, this shouldn't lose. Is there liquidity below us? 1 hour FEG, 1 hour sweep here. We've completely filled this fair value gap on the 1 hour. Why? Why are you bearish? Why is it flipping? Trendline liquidity above us. If this NASDAQ trade loses, check everybody's social media post. Everybody lost on this. If this NASDAQ trade loses right now, everybody lost on this. That's crazy. If this NASDAQ trade deadass loses right now, everybody got stopped out on this. I'll be so surprised. Gold giving good move. Always on the wrong end of the coin. Yeah, it's the short setup. Perfect move. TP3 just hit on gold. I hope y'all took that. I missed it. Instead, I'm in choppy NASDAQ right now. That I still have faith in. Yes, this is a very strong trend line, but it's market open now. I think we run it. I really do. Can we hold this FVG? I don't want this to close below it. Can we reject? We have 25 seconds. Can we at least hold this? Thank you. Thank you, NASDAQ. Thank you, NASDAQ. Come on, hold it. I don't like this. What time is it? It's 8:54. Damn. Took a trade right before 9 a.m. candle open. That shit can stop this shit out again. It's an A plus setup. Like, I don't see this losing. If it does, it's a good loss actually if it loses. It's not a terrible loss, it's a good loss. I need this ran, NASDAQ. You don't want to come run this? You don't want that? You don't want that, NASDAQ? You want to go lower? Did I read you wrong? You want to go lower, baby girl? Why? Why do you want to go lower, baby girl? Why? What's down there for you? What's down there for you? I need this FVG here to flip on the 3-minute for this trade to still be valid. You think so? You think NQ is coming? This was definitely hands down the better setup. I should have market ordered this. Oh my goodness. Great trade. I really hope y'all just took it. I really hope y'all took this gold sell. This was the trade of the day for sure. Remember, these NQ longs, I'm only risking gold profits. So if this stops me out, I'm break even on the day. I'm only risking gold. I'm only risking the profits I made from gold. Guys, this trade on NQ, I don't think you understand how high conviction I I have for it. Like, it should win. It has everything. SMT at the lows with ES. This is SMT at the lows with ES. SMT. SMT at the lows. Trend line liquidity. A whole bunch of trend line liquidity. Equal highs above. It's LARPing. It has to be LARPing. There's no way. Like, it's LARPing right now. We're back in profit. It's LARPing. It's a very high probability long. If this shit stops us out, I really don't know. We have our stop loss all the way at the low. I have my stop loss all the way at the low, so our stop loss is protected. Like, if this goes lower, then it's probably just trying to go lower. Could have waited for a pullback into this 5-minute FVG here that it did. I need this 5-minute to close back above this. If not, we might actually get clipped here. 5-minute CISD, 5-minute inversion, 930 manipulation. It's LARPing. It's LARPing right now. What's ES doing? ES is moving like it should. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. I like this closure back above this. Let's see how the hourly closed. Hourly closed bullish. I want to see one more bullish break of structure, and then I'll be a lot more confident. Oh, Lord. LARPing. Trump tweet? Is Trump tweeting right now? I low-key don't want him to. I want him to just chill. I want him to just chill. If Trump is tweeting right now, he might cook us. I just want that nigga to chill. Oh my gosh, I really got to use the restroom too. I'm getting the morning shits. I didn't take one before I started streaming. I woke up late. I feel like the moment I leave to go take a shit, it'll cook me. Damn, I got it. Ugh, fuck me. Back at fucking this 5-minute FVG again. It's LARPing. It's LARPing. I think it's LARPing, and ES is flying. ES already took out these highs, so we do have SMT at the highs as well. But ES also has the same thing. ES has a couple bit of equal highs here, trend line liquidity here. It's like ES is just moving further and faster. Yeah, NQ, it's time. It's time to run. It's time to run, baby girl. There's a whole bunch of low resistance above us. It's time. Amazing trade idea too. I don't know why it's not delivering. Such an amazing trade idea. This would be one of those losses that actually shock me as I'm journaling it. Like, I'll look at it tomorrow and be like, damn, this shit lost? Our stop loss is protected. So we don't have an early stop loss. Stop loss all the way at the low. That means if this comes all the way back down to that low, damn, NQ really was bearish. Gold, I know gold is printing. Yep, down to those lows. Gold is printing. You can catch a continuation from some type of pullback here in gold. But let's just focus on NQ right now. Yeah, NQ is LARPing hard. ES is already gone. Like, NQ is LARPing hard right now. Last time we took the trade on ES, not NQ. NQ pumped. This time we took the trade on NQ, not ES. ES is pumping. Doesn't make any sense to me. Excuse me. NQ's playing with our feelings right now. It's just playing in our face. It's time, NQ. Move. I get it, you're in a 15-minute FVG, but it's time. Move. I think I'm gonna have to do an early break even here on NQ. After we start taking on some highs, I don't like the way this is moving. And ES is already like ripping too. Like, this shit can deadass just reverse and say fuck all of us. I don't want it to though. It's time, NQ. Move. It's time. Right here. This is what we want. There we go. Run. There we go. Run for me. Run for me, baby girl. It should start moving. Give me 1 second, guys. That's beautiful. We're delivering. This is beautiful. We're delivering. Beautiful. Good fucking girl. Remember, watch ES closely. Remember the draw, guys. If you want to take early 1-to-1, be my guest, but remember the draw. Manage. Manage accordingly. We will get pullbacks. Know that. The way this price action is moving, we will get pullbacks. But remember your draw. If I can see a 15-minute closure above here, this would be beautiful. If we can get a 15-minute candle close here, this would be beautiful. Then our break even would be protected with this 15-minute inverse. Hopefully we can get it. Have we gotten some 5 minutes? This is still very beautiful bullish price action. But knowing NQ, it could fuck around, come all the way back down here to sweep this. This price action is horrible. But we are slowly delivering. This is trendline liquidity. Come run it. Come run this. Come run this, NQ. Please. Remember the draw. Don't get scared. Remember what the draw is. Don't get scared. Good girl. Good girl. We're about to tap True Day Open. We might get a pullback out of that. Don't be scared. I want to see you fly, baby girl. Fly like the wind. This was a nice bullish 5-minute candle. Nice bullish 5-minute candle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Beautiful 5-minute candle. Keep flying, baby. That's True Day Open. I want to see NQ blast through it. If we get a pullback, don't be scared. But I do want to see NQ blast through this True Day Open. Yes, just like that. Keep going. Like it's trendline liquidity. Go run this quick and fast. Yes. I'm holding this. Guys, partial. Partial if you, what's it called? Partial. Partial if you're up. Partial if you need to pass your account. You need to get your payout. Partial. It's a good trade. Man, we took bangers today. Gold trade. NQ trade. This was a beautiful no news Monday. Trendline liquidity. Let's go run it. We should just run it. Run it, girl. Watch ES closely. The moment ES reaches this high, we could get clipped. So watch ES closely. I'm going to actually set an alert here. Because ES is leading today for some reason. It's True Day Open. It's fine. We might get a pullback out of this. I just want to see this 15-minute candle close above this. And I'll be very, very confident. I'm already confident in the setup. Because since we're this close to the draw, we should take it. Like we're this close to the trendline liquidity now, so we should just start running it. Well, let's see. Hopefully NQ doesn't play with us today. Took bangers today. No reason to lose on this anymore, guys. Wherever your break even is, just move to break even. You don't want to lose on this anymore. Especially after this 15-minute here gets inversed. There's no reason to hit break even. But then again, I wasn't fucking with whatever this was in here. I was not fucking with that NQ at all. I'm fucking with this though. This bullish price action right here. This leg. I want us to close above True Day Open. This is like the clear draw. I'm looking for the eyes emoji. Draw on liquidity. Draw on liquidity right there. Come on, NQ. Give us a push. Don't play with us. I knew True Day Open would be a problem, but I do want us to like blast through it. Got a minute 35 to this 15-minute candle closes. How's ES doing? ES is moving. Damn, we really took this on the wrong pair. Remember, guys, once ES takes out London highs, like partial minimum. Like if you haven't partialed already, then definitely partial, because then that'll be an SMT with a session level. But I do think NQ should run this. "38 seconds to this 15-minute closes. If we can close above this and True Day Open, I'll be happy. Can we close above True Day Open? NQ. I'll be happy if we can close above True Day Open. Come on, NQ. Let's push. Let's push. There we go. Good girl. Close above True Day Open for me. Good girl. Good. Good. Your break-even's protected now. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, NQ. Run it. Run it all. Run it all. I partialed. I partialed a little bit, guys. I'm still holding majority of my position because I'm very confident on this draw, but I did partial a bit here. I partialed a bit here. I don't like this rejection, so I partialed a bit. Bullish price action tells us that the most that will happen is we use this FEG. That's what bullish price action tells me. We use this FEG to go higher. If this comes down to break even, then it was already clipped. So slight partial here and break even. Come on, flip. There we go. Good girl. Watch ES closely. Watch ES closely. ES is nearing this target. Once ES nears this target, there might be a big pullback. So once this gets hit on ES, I'm going to partial like majority of my position. Till then, I've taken a light partial. Because I want to hold majority of this till for the draw. True Day Open would be a problem. I knew it would be a problem. I knew it would be a problem. Come on, we still got this draw. Let's hold. Let us hold together. Let us hold together. Let us hold together. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. it doesn't trading become clear when you can, okay, we also are in a 1 hour gap. Like we're fading a lot of things. So I hope y'all are partialing. We are in a 1 hour gap, but doesn't trading become a little bit clearer to you when you understand what the draw is? We are in a 1 hour gap here. And Q could tell us screw us. But bullish price action, we'll go higher. Is there any liquidity in this? There is. The most we can do might retrace all the way down here. But our break even's all the way down here. So let's not be scared. Let's not be scared of this. Get off the 1 minute. We got break even all the way down here. Some of y'all's break evens here, that might get clipped, but I don't even want that big of a retracement. This is trendline liquidity. I want us to just go. Come on, NQ. Watch ES closely as well. NQ is definitely the weaker pair today. Come on, don't give me a break-even trade, NQ. Don't give me a break-even trade, NQ. Come on, look, ES is still running. ES is still running. NQ's just lagging. Don't give me a break-even trade, NQ. Don't do it. I'll hate for us to be right about the direction and get break-even on this. If ES gives one pullback, we're clipped. If ES gives one pullback, we're clipped. Because the pullbacks on ES be tiny, but on NQ, it's massive. It's like ES is still running. Look, ES is still running. This is also the draw on ES. This is also the draw on ES. We'll get a little bit of a struggle here. That's what's going on right now. We're struggling right here. Oh, definitely slow price action today. Accumulation, manipulation, distribute higher. If ES gives us a major pullback here, we're gonna get cooked. We're gonna get cooked. If we get some type of major pullback here, we're gonna get clipped. Look at gold. Gold reversed before taking out this low. Look to short it. Why did gold not take out that low? Oh, because gold might be in a range. Yeah, we might not short again here. Gold's in a range. Come on, NQ. Oh my God, come on. Don't do this. And guys, I really do have to go too. Yeah, NQ really is in a rough spot. But you have to understand the draw is so clear. If it stops us out at break even but never hits this low, it'll continue higher, bro. The draw is so clear. Let's see if this 5 minute, like, we don't want this 5 minute inversion. We don't want an inversion here, obviously. An inversion here will clip the whole trade. We're back into this 15-minute inversion here. It should, like, if it clears this 15-minute inversion, the only thing left is our break even. This is a 15-minute inversion as well as a 15-minute order block. But what are we up against? 1 hour FVG. Trust me, I see the bearish confluences. That's why I'm break even. 1 hour FVG here, 1 hour FVG here, and 1 hour order block here. Oh my goodness, we're getting clipped. We're getting clipped. My break even's gonna get tagged here if it doesn't reverse. Come on, NQ, I don't like this. Can you flip for me? I need this to go bullish now, underneath this low. Can you flip bullish now? My gosh, that's a break of structure, guys. Oof. Come on. No. We don't want to see this. What's ES doing? I told you, any pullback on ES will cook us. My break-even's still intact. I'm still not at break-even yet. I'm still clear. If your entry was here, you just got stopped out at break-even. Remember, we have 4 minutes. If this 15-minute holds, we're still green. It's holding. I knew True Day Open was going to give us a pullback. I knew it. But if this 15-minute here holds, we're still green. It's holding. We're still very much green. Good girl. There's ES flipping. Guys, I do got to get off stream here. I do. If break even gets tagged, it gets tagged. Manage risk accordingly. This is clearly the draw. This is clearly the draw. NQ, this is clearly the draw. Manage your risk. I'm going to catch y'all boys. Oh my goodness, gold is ripping. I'm going to catch y'all boys, alright? Yeah, gold is flying. I'm going to catch y'all boys. I got to go. I got to go. Make sure y'all join the Discord if y'all aren't in the Discord either. Join it. We catch bangers every day. And watch, once that NQ trade wins, I'm going to let y'all boys know. Peace. W's. Peace.